就是找那个阴影的部分。OK， 所以这个阴影的部分呢 ，Okay, what's your strategy？ 你的那个方法是什么？你的策略是什么？策略是很重要。
组成一个圆，半圆。
Okay, you can do that. You can do that. But for me, I'm going to tell you my strategy to get this question. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to find this one first. I'm going to find this region 1 first. 这是第一个 region. 这个。
It's 5 o'clock.
Okay. How do you get the region 1? Okay. This region 1, what I see in region 1 is I see a quadrant here. You know what's a quadrant? 1/4圆. Yeah, so quadrant, right? Let's call quadrant equal to 1/4 circle, right? So I can do the question already. Alright? How? I'm going to find the quadrant first, which is 1/4 circle. So area of circle pi r square. Right? So I ask myself, what's the radius here? So this is 28. So the radius will be 14. Very good. Very good. So it's 1/4 pi times 14 square, right? They say the pi you need to take 22/7, right? So just replace this with 22/7. Can you help me out with the calculator?
Times 14 square.
Can I double check? Yep, no problem. Let me double check. Okay, very good. It's 154. So this is a cm square, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, the whole thing, 这整个 is 154. Now you don't need to look at that. If you can see here, look at here, okay? Focus here. The whole thing is 154, right?
Yes.
But you don't need the whole thing, right?
No need.
Because you just want the shaded area. The shaded area actually you still have to do what? What you still have to do? Minus what? You need to minus this.
Shaded.
This one?
Yes.
The A and the B, right? Right?
Yes.
How do you get the B? For the B, I see a quadrant. Can you see? The quadrant B? Can you see?
Yes.
So I call this quad B. So quadrant is 1/4 of the circle, right? Right?
Yes.
And this is 1/4 times pi r square, right? And then this is, so the radius for the B is, if this is 14, this part is 7,
Yes.
right? So therefore I just put 7 into it.
7 square.
Yep. And then the pi is 22/7. Can you help me out with the answer? Yep.
Uh, 38.5.
Oh, let me see. Let me double check. Yeah, no problem. Very good. So it's 38.5. So the quadrant B is 38.5. So I'm going to write down 38.5 here. Right? Can you see your quadrant A and quadrant B is the same?
Plus.
Can you see
2.
your quad B is the same?
Yes.
So it's also 38.5. Right?
Yes.
So therefore, I think you can find the shaded region already.
Yes.
Because this one is 38.5, this one also 38.5. So you just take the whole thing, which is 154, minus 38.5, minus 38.5. Right? Can you help me out with this?
Yes.
Let me help you double check. Yeah. Very good. It's 77, right? Okay, good. So therefore your this shaded region is 37. I mean 77, I'm sorry. So this one is 77. So therefore this is also 77, right? Because they are the same. So this part, I'm done. Right? Now I'm left with this. Okay?
Yes.
How do you get that one? You just take the square minus of the empty part,
Yes.
right? So the square is this is 14, this is 14, so therefore you have the square is 14 times 14. Help me out with it, please.
14 times 14.
Yeah,
196.
very good. Then you minus off. Do you know the 1 is actually 154?
Yes.
Yeah, so just minus off
194.
154, yes.
42.
42. So this part is 42. So this part is 42, right?
Yes.
And your job is to add up all this. That will give you the shaded region.
238.
Okay, good.
238.
Done. So now, part A done, right?
Yes.
Is it very hard? No, right? No, not at all. But the strategy, 你的那个方案，你的那个策略 very important. Okay? So for part B, I'm going to just use the new slide. Okay, good. So for part B, you need to find the parameter, 周长.
Oh.
Okay? So what's your strategy? 你的策略是什么? So we do it by one now. 一个一个的来哈.
Yes.
So I'm not going to show you the answer, okay? I'm just show you the strategy. 我不会告诉你那个答案，我会告诉你那个方法，好不好？
Okay.
就是那个方案，就是你应该找哪一个，然后把它全部加起来。Okay, good. So you're going to find this, right? And you're going to find this, and you're going to find this, you're going to find this, and I hope you realize this one is the entire circle. 这全部加起来 is the entire circle.
This one is entire circle.
I mean, no, this, they add up to an entire circle. Because this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this 1/4, this 1/4, so therefore this 4 add up is one circle, right?
Yes.
With radius 14. So parameter is equal to 2 pi r, right?
Yes.
So therefore it's 2 pi 14. So this will give you this part. And your job is to figure out the rest. 哪一个? Let's do it one by one. Can you see this one? Can you see this one?
Yes.
Can you see this one? Can you see this one? Right?
Yes.
So can you see this one?
Can.
Can you see this one? Can you see this one? Okay? So can you see this one? Can you see this one and this one? So okay, so this is 28. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them is 28. So one of them is 7. Right?
Yes.
How many 7 you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
8.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You just count now. So 10 of 7. So 70, right?
Yes.
So what else is left? 还剩下哪一个? I still see this one. I still see this one.
Yes.
Right? So I need to add 2 more. Which is 14, right? So it's 84. Right?
84. Yes.
Yep. So I still see what else left. I still see this one left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 4, they add up to a small circle. With radius 7.
Radius 7.
So it's once again is 2 pi r. It's 2 times pi times r, which r is 7 in this case. So it's just 14 pi. So your job is to add up. Okay? So the strategy is important. Okay?
Okay.
Good. I'm not going to solve for you.